কথা ভুলবি কি রে হায় সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে কি ভোলা যায় পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে হায় সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে কি ভোলা যায় আয় আর একটিবার আয় রে সখা প্রাণের মাঝে আয় মোরা সুখের দুঃখের কথা কব প্রাণ জুড়াবে তাই পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে হায় সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে কি ভোলা যায় মোরা ভোরের বেলা ফুল তুলেছি দুলেছি দোলায় বাজিয়ে বাঁশি গান গেয়েছি বকুলের তলায় হায় মাঝে হলো ছাড়া ছাড়ি গেলে কোথায় আবার দেখা যদি হলো সখা প্রাণের মাঝে আয় পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে হায় সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে কি ভোলা যায়
Namaskar. You have just heard a beautiful song, Rabindra Sangeet, which is famous for its therapeutically relaxing impact. In fact, we are very happy to bring before you a special program on relaxing music of Rabindra Sangeet. And we all know that Rabindranath Tagore was a mental giant, master, music composer, lyricist, poet, brainiac, brain, whiz and whatnot of the 20th century. A noble laureate to top it all. So it's such a pleasure in recalling the beautiful concept of relaxation which was inbuilt as a music therapist in Rabindranath's creations. And that runs to something like 22-33 numbers of songs. The whole body is known as Rabindra Sangeet. So we are going to analyze a bit of the song which you already heard and the song which has to be explained. And now it gives me great pleasure in inviting you on behalf of Nada Center for Music Therapy to participate in this small, humble program on relaxing Rabindra Sangeet. So what is the secret about relaxing in this? Basically, the first and foremost secret of relaxation in Rabindra Sangeet is the great utilization, a treasure of folk traditions. Folk traditions. When we say folk traditions, what are the folk traditions? It's basically the folk traditions, particularly in Bengal, which emphasized not only singing but also dancing. So it is a beautiful combination of melody as well as movement. And what sort of movement it is, you will notice it is a gentle and composed and balanced movement. And then another aspect of folk music is a simple scale. The musical scale is very, very simple. Often it is pentatonic minor, melodic minor and things like that. And in Bengal, all those folk songs are somehow inspired by the ragas right from 9th century onwards. And there is another important element in folk music is what they call strophic, they call it strophic. Strophic actually means it is a repetition of the same music practically every successive stanzas. So the same music gets repeated and repeated. The idea is that it addresses you, it makes you, it persuades you. It persuades you to relax. And because it's a repetition and you get familiarization and again that comes on you, floods you till you get relaxed. That's the beauty. And over and above, when you take up this Rabindra Sangeet particularly, the song you just heard, it is something like a 72 BPM, means beats per minute. And I just try to demonstrate that particular beat per minute. Tak, 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 tak. If you notice this 72 beats per minute, it's almost coinciding with a heart rate of a healthy heart. Means over a time, if you listen to a song in this beat, your heart rate, if it is variable and which causes problems, gets healthier and normal also. So this beat is very beautiful, which has been adopted in Rabindra Sangeet. And for instance, if I want to demonstrate the same thing, when I said the scale is simple, I said strophic. I said strophic means the stanzas, successive stanzas repeat themselves. So I take again this same song which was sung so beautifully by Indrani Madam. I may not be able to ape that, but nevertheless I have to do an analysis. So I think I am capable of doing analysis. So here when you sort of analyze it to, let us say, 73 BPM and things like that, now I put on this and then I will tell you how the musical structure is organized. This is 73 BPM, beats per minute. There's a movement. Purano she diner kotha bhulbe ki re ayo she chokher dekha pranir kotha she ki bola jay. পুরানো সেদিনের কথা বলবে কি রে, আয় হোসে চোখের দেখা প্রাণীর কথা সে কি ভোলা যায়। Then one more important thing in this is that it's called time signature, that is very peculiar in folk music. The time signature is 3/4 or 4/4. So in this case we have 4/4. So now with this time signature, it's a relaxing, it by itself is very relaxing. And when I am going to use the composition of Rabindranath Tagore, it comes somewhat like this. Aaye aaye একটিবার আয়ে রে সখা প্রাণীর মাঝে আয় মোরা সুখের দুঃখের কথা কব প্রাণ জুড়াবে তার। আয় আয় একটিবার আয় রে সখা প্রাণীর মাঝে আয় মোরা সুখের দুঃখের কথা কব প্রাণ জুড়াবে তাই। পুরানো সেদিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে আয় ও সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণীর কথা সে কি ভোলা যায়। Then we are taking one more song which somewhat it goes in the same 4/4, same 73 BPM. Anand loke Mongola loke Virajo Shottu Sundaro Anand loke Mongola loke Virajo Shottu Sundaro Mohimat Budbhashit Mohagagan Maje Mohimat Budbhashit Mohagagan Maje Visho Jagat Monibhushan Veshtito Chorone Anand loke Mongola loke Virajo Shottu Sundaro Grihtarko Chandra Topun Bekulo Drutu Begi Grihtarko Chandra Topun Bekulo Drutu Begi Koriche Panu Koriche Snanu Akhayo Kiruni Anand loke Mongola loke Virajo Shottu Sundaro Virajo Shottu Sundaro Thank you.
কি ভোলা যায় আই আর একটিবার আই রে সখা প্রাণে